Assalamualaikum, most welcome to all of you at my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss types of verbs. Verbs divided into three types. A verb that shows action is called an action verb. The action verb tells what its subject does. The action can either be physical or mental. Physical action, the farmer feeds the chicken. Mental action, he likes the red roaster based. Linking verbs. A linking verb links its subject to a word in the predicate. Linking verb expresses condition or state of being. The cow is blue. There is a linking verb between cow and blue. Linking verbs. There are 9 common linking verbs you can read. To remember these linking verbs, use the saying all boys in school work. Helping. Helping verbs help a main verb express action or precise shades of meaning. The combination of one or more helping verbs is called a verb phrase. For example, Elmer was using the computer. Helping verbs. Other things to keep in mind, not every sentence will have a helping verb with the main verb. When you see an ing verb such as running, ringing, etc., be on the lookout for a helping verb also. Helping verbs. Sometimes there is another word which separates as the helping verb from the main verb. One common example is not. The boy could not find his socks. The helping verb is could and the main verb is find. A sentence may contain up to 3 helping verbs to the main verb. An example would be, the dog must have been chasing the cat. The helping verb are must have and been, the main verb is chasing.